I'm from a very small village called Katebu in the far north of Uganda. We don't even show up on Google Maps if you try to find it. Growing up, it was just me and my older brother. My parents are both incredibly passionate about education. I wanted to have that as well. I loved learning and I loved science, so I wanted to be a doctor, and I was at Oxford. I was on the path towards building a biotech startup, and I thought that's the direction that I was going to go. Whether you're looking to address challenges with education, whether you're looking to address challenges with healthcare, it's electricity and the lack thereof was that central problem. And so what I ended up finding myself doing was actually saying, okay, well, if electricity is an issue, why not address it? Manjulis Energy is an electricity company. We provide agricultural processing services alongside electricity. Farmers bring us their crops, rice, maize, groundnuts, and then we process that into higher value products that can go straight to the market, and that alone doubles their income. And so including them in our supply chain as suppliers of feedstock meant that we were able to increase our electricity production, but at the same time provide them with a source of capital. The first thing that we did was we got a 32 kilowatt biomass power plant, and the way it works is that once you put the husk, it could be rice husk, it could be maize husk, you put that into the gasifier, and then that converts it into syngas basically, and that syngas can then run a gas engine which generates electricity. And so this model really is about generating electricity and providing electricity to run milling services, and then in addition to that, providing electricity to the homes and businesses around. The first time we switched on the power plant and the street lights went up. The village felt a lot more lively. There was music playing. Just seeing that life and that liveliness for me was just really, really exciting. And it felt like a promise of something to come. Technology is absolutely fundamental to everything that we do. So to make electricity distribution cost effective, to make it reliable, to even make it viable in an off-grid setting, we needed to develop a digital platform that made use of artificial intelligence, IoT, sensors, and blockchain, combining all of that to address actually the challenges that we face in distributing electricity. With a digital platform, you're able to bring all of that together with payments and interface with the existing mobile money solutions in the market and make it easier for us to pay our suppliers for what they're providing. The Harambee Entrepreneur Alliance is such a network of entrepreneurs that are building businesses in Africa and focused on addressing various challenges and opportunities that across the continent. So I joined Harambee in 2016. And then most recently, we also got some support from Cisco via the Harambee Entrepreneur Alliance. When I went to visit my grandmother, she said, "Buru dao match, buru nywalo match," which means you went out there and you achieved all the things that you wanted to achieve, and you're actually having a real impact on the ground. So at that point for me, I realized that actually, yeah, you know what? Women can do these things, can build, can lead, can build businesses and change lives within our community.